running.
On the brake, on the clutch.
Yep. Let her rip. So after installing the new exhaust and driving the car a little bit, we found out that we had camshaft position sensor check engine light. So basically our heads were machined incorrectly and the cams were loosed in the camshaft journals. So the camshafts got extremely beat up as well as the journals, so we had to get one new head and two new camshafts. They came in the day before the tune date, so we went ahead and pulled the head out that night. It was quite hard to get out because we have ARP head studs in the car, as well as getting the new head and cams back in. It was difficult because we have ARP head studs, but we got it all done. Went for a test drive that night, everything checked out, and the next day we went and got the car tuned at DRP. Alright, so the car made 360 wheel horsepower at 20 pounds of boost on 93. I think that's pretty good for what the build is. I mean, it's a daily driver. Super fun car. So now I'm going to be posting up some videos of more recent day stuff, what we've been doing. There's some drag strip videos here. Been to the track twice. So it'll be 2 of those, and then just some pulls on the street and stuff, and some rollers. So enjoy.
Yeah, not again.
Hopping out of Bentley coupe, and they got a missing roof. She freaking when she sip Grey Goose. Did fresh like the first day of school. One drop boat, I'm taking on the cruise. So the first like I'm working and lose. I'ma get the money, I ain't never gonna lose. I'ma get the money, I got hundreds all blues. When you keep it coming, all these